Good morning children. Welcome to online classes. This is continuation class of community lesson session number 2. In the previous class we have learnt about the meaning of community, features of community, types of community, rural community, its occupations, problems and solutions for them. In today's class, we are going to study about urban community, various problems of urban community, measures taken by the government to solve urban problems, introduction to tribal community, different occupations and their values. Let us discuss one by one. Children, first one is urban community. What do you mean by urban community? The group of people living in a city or town is called as urban community. Children, observe the below given pictures. You can see the so many multi-level buildings here, right? People's working in the companies and walking on footpath. So much traffic on the road, causing so much air pollution and sound pollution. Correct? The population is more in urban community. People migrate to cities in search of jobs and for better education. Generally, education is more defined in urban areas than rural areas. Many people in cities are engaged in different occupations. In India, as nearly 5,000 cities, there are 27 cities with a population of 1 million or more. Children, Bangalore is our capital city, right? This is about urban community. Children, next concept is various problems of urban community. Housing problems in urban areas, traffic jam in urban areas, pollution from industrial areas, disposal of garbage, slum areas, at last water pollution. Observe the below given pictures. Children, there are many measures taken by the government to solve urban problems. Let us discuss one by one. Constructing underground drainage system, supplying of pure drinking water, well-equipped bus stations and railway stations, ring roads in the outskirts in the cities, developing gardens to reduce pollution. Children, next is introduction to tribal community. So what do you mean by tribal community? Families living in dense forests or hilly areas is called as a tribal community. Here is a picture of tribal community. What can you see here? We can see people are living in the mostly in forest or hilly areas. They have their small homes and they have small community of people. So it is totally different from a rural community and urban community. Generally, these people are depend on hunting for food, and also the living conditions, language, dress and marriage system of the tribals are totally different. In Karnataka, Soligas of Mysore district, Koragas of Dakshina Kannada, Jenu Kurubas and Yaravas of Kodagu district are the tribals of communities in our state. Since tribal communities live in forest and hilly areas, they are deprived of health, residence, education, transport, food, and electricity facilities. The government is trying to provide education, food, house, and health facilities to these people in the recent year. You know that a group of people living together to fulfill their basic needs and to help each other is called a community. There are different types of community already we know. They are rural community, urban community, and tribal community. Children, next one is farmer occupation and his values. You have already learnt about the jobs, occupations, right? Do you know how many people help to grow the food you eat? Have you imagined that food? What we are eating? How it came? There are so many people and so many processes in the world to reach the raw materials. We can see farmer is working very hard to produce raw food materials. Children, farmer needs water, land, seeds, fertilizers to grow the good crops. Correct? Similarly, the farmer needs insecticides, workers, transport, merchants to sell the food materials and to grow the food crops. Children, next is occupation of others and their values. You know that there should be different occupations for the development of community. With the occupations which provide basic needs of the community, there are people who follow the other professions in a community. Look at the other occupations. Pot maker. Pot maker create dishes, pots and other homemade things. Gym instructor teaches different exercises to keep our body fit and strong. Artist creates new drawings and pictures on the walls. Singer sings different songs for movies, serials. TV anchor conducts and explain about different TV programs. In a community, along with people who manufacture and supply things, people who clean the environment, and people who provide the basic necessities of life. We also need people who entertain, give happiness, give information and relief. Everybody in the community has to be contribute for its development. Children, remember, every occupation has its own value and we should respect everyone. Children, from this chapter we understood that every person is a part of the community. Community is formed by every member living in the community. It is not possible to live without the cooperation of the community. So, when situation demands, we should help others in the community. We have completed this chapter. Note down home assignment. Answer the following questions. Define urban community. What are the problems faced by the people living in the cities? Where do the tribal people live? Write any two measures taken by the government to solve urban problems. Thank you.